I have Gerd and acid reflux, but I had a barium swallow or an endoscopy and it said I don't have a hiatal hernia. I get this question over and over again. I'm gonna tell you right now, the barium swallow and the endoscopy test is 30 to 40% effective at diagnosing a hiatal hernia. That's awful. Everybody stop hanging your hat on that test. Trust me when I tell you this. If you have one of these first group of symptoms, then you have a hiatal hernia. If you have acid reflux, GERD, heartburn, bloating right after you eat, okay? Those main symptoms right there mean you have a hiatal hernia. If you have one of those symptoms, you have a hiatal hernia. Let's say you have some of the stranger symptoms like heart palpitations and difficulty getting a full breath or burping a lot after eating with heart palpitations. If you have one of the less common symptoms, if you have at least two of those, then yes, you have a hiatal hernia. Forget the endoscopy, forget the barium swallow. It's not the gospel. It's just not. It's not an accurate test. And so many of you are holding so much weight in that test, like it's the end all be all. Go by your symptoms. That's what we go by. Now, I'm not saying an endoscopy isn't important or a barium swallow isn't important. It is for other things. It checks for other things effectively, not effective for checking a hiatal hernia. I want to repeat that over and over again, scream it from the top of a mountain. I hope that helps you guys. If you have the symptoms, then you have a hiatal hernia. One or two of those symptoms, you have a hiatal hernia. I can assure you that. And the simple osteopathic maneuver, pulling the stomach down, is at 85% effective in people with sliding type 1, which is 95% of hiatal hernia cases. The other 5% are type 2, 3, and 4. That osteopathic maneuver is so effective, and you can have it done by a chiropractor. Good luck trying to find one that really knows the technique, or at least like I do. Or you can do the Reflux Shield. That's a product that mimics the technique that I use. I patented that product. Thanks for tuning in, and let me know if you have any questions. Comment below, but don't hang your hat up on that endoscopy. It's not the end all be all. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.